The 2026 BYD Haibao 07 DMI turns everyday driving into something quietly satisfying. In traffic, it stays relaxed and precise, and on tight city streets, it feels smaller than its size suggests. The party trick is how easily it loops around on narrow lanes. With a minimum turning radius of 5.6 meters, U-turns feel natural instead of stressful. The chassis stays composed, and the plug-in hybrid powertrain moves the car with smooth response when you need more pace. Inside, the cabin is clean and modern, with supportive seats and responsive screens. Ride comfort remains settled over broken pavement, and the rear suspension keeps the body in control without calling attention to itself. You notice this most in parking structures, school pickups, and quick lane changes where the steering is light, direct, and easy to place. For families, space and calm are the headline wins. There is generous legroom, a useful trunk, and enough noise isolation to make long drives less tiring. Add the efficiency of BYD's latest plug-in hybrid system, and you get a sedan that saves time and money while staying pleasant to drive.